Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you cannot change the storefront information for your account at this time. If you're using any iPhone or iPad, you're trying to change your storefront information or you're trying to change your country or region and your Apple ID, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to change your country or region, you see an error that you cannot change the storefront information. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with a stable and the strongest network connection. If your network is not stable, so you can try to connect with a different network connection. And after doing this, you have to simply go to your settings app, then go to general here, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting a VPN, just simply go back from here and just go to language and region. Select region and select your own region in which you're living. After selecting your country or region, just go back and here just select date and time section and enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update and then start to update your software. After updating software, go back and go to launch or reset iPhone. Select reset, then select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be an issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. After doing this, you have to simply go back and here tap on your Apple ID and then tap on subscriptions. And here you just have to make sure that you haven't any subscriptions here. If you find any pending subscription, just try to remove them or you can authorize to cancel subscriptions from here. After removing subscriptions, you have to also check your Apple Wallet or your Apple Pay that you haven't any remaining credit balance. If you have remaining credit balance, so you can try to remove that or try to spend that out. And after spending your credit balance, you have to simply open your Apple Store, or you can also try to make a forced restart before you retry to change your country or region. So let's say I'm gonna make a force restart my iPhone. Just quickly press and release the volume up and volume down. Press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry it to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. Just simply open your Apple Store app or your Apple Store or App Store, and there just tap on the profile option at the top right. Then tap on your Apple ID. Verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Then select country or region option from here, and you have to select your own country or region in which you're living, or the country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone settings. I'm going to select this one. I have selected this. Then tap on continue option here and then tap on agree at the top right. And on this screen you have to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, just tap on this none option, then add your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all just tap on done option at the top right, and your country or region will be successfully changed. If you're still facing any issues, so it's the only way. You have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, select App Store, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.